Hey everyone, just a quick video to let you about another little precaution, something we've noticed on this job. We've just done a standard injected job on it. That's why it's wet. I've just given it a wash down. We haven't blown it dry yet. It's just sitting here. When I was washing it, I noticed something, and you might notice this on your 150. Sometimes these hoses push down a little bit. Not a big deal because the clamp will stop it going over the ridge there. But there's one over the other side as well, and sometimes they're down a little bit. We're not too worried about it, but I noticed this one, and see how far down it is? It's a good probably 10 to 12 mil down. So what we want to do is get in there and loosen it off, move the hose up and then tighten it again. Now there's something else we noticed when he dropped off. He goes, oh, people have said, oh, you sure you haven't got an exhaust leak or something like that? And what that turned out to be was whoever worked on it last, they left the two clips at the back of the airbox unclipped, so the whole airbox was vibrating around. And I dare say somebody's worked on it and done something, because the positioning of the clamp down there is not factory, so we can't get to it to adjust that without pulling all the airbox and everything out, which we just re-zipped all this, forgot it anyway, whatever. So because there's, you know, get all this other bits and pieces around. But the point is, just be aware who works on your vehicle, because they put clamps wrong. What else have they done down there? What were they in there for? I'm not sure, so I'm going to ask the client and find out who did what recently. Let them know that the airbox was left unclipped. So we've sorted out the problem, but be careful where you go. And yeah, a bit of all this extra work to turn the clamp around, so because they obviously didn't tighten it up to the right tension the first time, and they put it in a non-original Toyota position, making it hard for anyone else to adjust it later. So bada bing, bada boom, that's it. Nice quick one again. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe, turn the bell on, catch you on the next one.